Hi, I'm Janelle, but you can just call me Jelly. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be working on a vlog. We're getting really close to the wedding, so I'm going to try and start doing a week in my life. I don't know, maybe just like pick up the camera and once I get like enough clips, make a video, but this is my new lens on this camera. I got it for Christmas, and I've been cleaning my room because I've been working on my wedding invitations. And then I wanted to put the other lens on the camera to film today because it's got like an autofocus and it's in the box. I almost threw this box out while cleaning my room. But anyway, I got makeup done. I got a cute outfit on, and I'm going to start by cleaning up my room. I made a TikTok. My mind is blown. I made a TikTok and it now has 12,000 views. So I'm currently working on a video about making my wedding invitations. I got these gel pens and these envelopes are so nice. I got these envelopes. They're gold on the back. If I had the other lens on, it would focus, but Anyway, so I have to make a video on this. I'm going to be doing that today. More wedding stuff I have to get done. I have to get everything straightened out with my bridal shower venue and sign that contract. I have to call the bridal store to get my dress altered. I was supposed to do that February 1st. It is now February 26th. And then I have to return 4 dresses from Lulu's. I tried them on. I don't think it's worth showing. I'm sorry. But I have to, the return window is 10 days, so I have to get that done today. But I want to get this YouTube video. I want to get this YouTube tutorial done of my addresses. So, but first, before I can make that YouTube video, I'm kind of making this video to do vlogs. I'll start with cleaning my room so that we can make, maybe I'll keep the wide angle lens on. I don't know how it looks. We got the wide angle lens so that you could see more of my crafting streams. I don't know, I gotta play with this. But it doesn't autofocus, so it's like, So this is the outfit for today. I have this jacket from the Pink store, this crop from the Pink store, and these like pants. Who knew that flare pants would come back into style? Like, who knew? And then I got like the Uggs, like the trendy, like, and then I'm gonna put a claw clip in because I noticed that if you have a claw clip in, your hair doesn't like tug. It's weird. It was nice. And then also, friends, this is the mirror that I'm gonna DIY for my bridal shower and my wedding. So it's gonna say stuff on here like welcome to the shower, welcome to Janelle's shower, and then it'll say like 62 days till I do. I think it's 62. I don't remember how many it was, but I'm gonna start cleaning my room so I can make this other YouTube video. This is the this is what I've been working on. These invitations with a pocket, and I have to cut each half. Yeah, so it's a lot in here. So we gotta clean this up a little bit so I can make that other tutorial. So I've been saving like all these scraps, but I think I'm just gonna start throwing them in this Trader Joe's bag because it's a mess. I must have made a lot yesterday. There's so many. And then I've been cutting, I didn't cut any of these apart. I wanted to save like this, like square of scrap. I don't know what for, but I wanted to save it. So I was kind of cutting these apart, but I think I'm just going to get rid of, or I'm going to put them in this Trader Joe's bag right here and just put them behind my crafting desk. And if I feel like cutting them apart, then I will do that. If not, I can just throw the bag out. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I don't know why I feel a need to save them. I don't know. They might fit in one of these. Let's go get one of those. So I bought a whole box full of this size Sterilite shoe box. It's 6 quarts. I thought they were like the big ones, but they're not. So I have a bunch of these, so I might as well use them. I wanted to buy like a whole bunch of bins to organize like wedding stuff for like taking to the venue. So, but for now I'm putting my scraps in this. I'll probably be posting another video about making like the wedding invitation jacket, but for this vlog, I just want to say that like, what is it? The microwave principle, while like you're waiting for something to heat up, you can do other tasks. So for while waiting for the Cricut machine to cut out and to do the next cut, that time in between there, my room is so clean. And I even got rid of some clothes. And I have all these clothes. I have these hangers from the clothes I got rid of, and I figured I have all this clean laundry, and if I can't hang it up, I need to get rid of some stuff. And I have more laundry. It never ends. I don't know why I have so many clothes. This is a brand new outfit, and this is what I'm actually wearing, so. I also someday really want to make like a video of like all my Dave Matthews Band t-shirts that I have. I gotta have so many. This is a Mumford & Sons one though. This is a long sleeve tour shirt. This is a album shirt. Like, I can't wait to someday make a video. I want to make a video of all of my Dave Matthews Band t-shirts and a video of all of my Vera Bradley. The Vera Bradley is just... I've been collecting Vera Bradley since like 2010. So for 14 years. My 14-year Vera Bradley collection. That'll be fun someday. But we got a lot of wedding planning stuff to do. The winter tour t-shirt. So when I stream, this is going to be the background. Right now, I've gotten rid of like the whole green screen situation. I don't know how I feel about that anymore. But when I stream my video games, right now I have it like pointed at the door. But I want like this. Like I bought... This is Vera Bradley too. I was just talking about Vera Bradley. I bought this guy and he's just going to sit here. He's like a nice makeup bag. But I want like this to be like cute. I might get rid of this organizer. But like I was saying earlier the other day, when I was cutting out all of my Cricut stuff, I was like tidying stuff. So all I did was just like pull stuff out of here. Alright, well back to wedding stuff. My grandma, she has been working on, she broke her hip last Memorial weekend. She's been working on this for my bridal shower. This is going to be my bridal shower favor. So we're trying to make it like look cute or something. She had a whole bin of them. I'll put a picture. She has a whole bin of them and she has them rolled like this with this on it like that. And my mom took it and she's going to try and make like a, I don't know, she was making like a little like bouquet almost. I don't know, but we want to try and make these look like a little nicer, but everybody's going to get a grandma made dishcloth and scrubby. I think it's sweet. I think people are going to love it. At first I was like, I don't know, like, okay, grandma. But, like, how cute is it? She makes these for us for, like, every Christmas. She makes a whole bunch of these, and we all just grab them every time we go over there for Christmas. So, like, everybody's going to be, like, part of my family. My tester paper for the invitations. I need that for this video. I have my grandma and grandpa's wedding photo of them cutting their cake. So this cake topper is the cake topper that they used for their, this picture is from 54. This picture is from 1954. So they used this cake topper for their wedding. My mom and dad used the same cake topper for their wedding in 84. My grandma and grandpa's 50th anniversary, they used it on top of that cake that they had. I have that picture. This is the picture of the cake from their 50th anniversary in 2004. And then I'm gonna use the same cake topper. I'll probably put a picture. I'm gonna use the same cake topper for my wedding in 2024. So I wanted pictures. I just have to get the one from my mom and dad. I wanted pictures, like we'll put them on the cake table or something and just have like the cake topper kind of thing. So I just think that's really special. I'm reusing my cake topper from my grandma and grandpa that my mom used. Maybe this is also a good time to show off my wedding binder. I had put the date on it with some Cricut vinyl. This binder's linked in my Amazon storefront. And then I bought some of these dividers, also linked in my Amazon storefront. And then I have my like receipts. So the thing from the dress is in there, the thing from the cake is in there, like the actual like itemized like contracts and stuff are in that. And then I have like the DJ contract is in here. And then I have like the photographer. Yeah, so this is the finalized DJ contract. This is the finalized photographer contract. This is the bridal shower contract. So those are like all in there because they're in emails, but it is hard to kind of just like look up an email. I love how Yoda's going to be in this video a lot. And then I just have like the menu for my wedding that we have to decide on. There's a tasting in April, which is 2 months away, but it's gonna come by really fast. No, it's like a month away. It's almost March. It's like less than a month away. So we're gonna go to the tasting and taste that different things from our menu and pick that out. But that's just the kind of stuff I have in here. I know people have like crazy like detailed like day of like stuff and like all their bridal party phone numbers and all that kind of like timelines, but for now this has been really nice to just print out emails and keep them in here so I know where they all are and you can look at them at a glance instead of trying to go through the email threads. So let's finish up my room because we got to get this other YouTube video going here. I kind of made this second shelf like my wedding shelf. This is the bag from Lulu's. I bought these. This is my grandma's veil. I bunched it up in here because it smells bad. It smells like it's from 1954. I have this banner that I made that says "Eat, Drink, and Be Merry." So I just have like a couple wedding things in here. I have my wedding backpack that has like all the pamphlets and stuff in here from like the bridal expos, and then the wedding binder. I really gotta start the returns and return these dresses today though. I am gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna do another vlog with a haul of dresses that I got from Lulu's and just a little bit more about where I am at wedding planning. So thank you so much for watching this one. Make sure you go watch my tutorial on writing my wedding envelopes, and I'll see you for part 2. Bye.